Welcome to Oakley with Janine Liza. This is a special series created to introduce to you our new studio puppy, Oakley. It's been a while since I released the first video introducing Oakley, so I thought I would make a few videos to show you how he's been doing. In the first video, we welcomed Oakley into our home, and it was winter time. And he had a lot of fun exploring and getting to know our other dog, well, my daughter's dog, Gimli. Kind of like a big brother. When Oakley first arrived, he was given his first welcome bath by family members and his first toy. And my daughter had made this beautiful welcome home Oakley sign. We each spent some time encouraging Oakley to play and connect with us. He was just so cute and adorable. I mean, he's still adorable, but you know what it's like when they're puppies. Lots of kisses, lots of curiosity, and lots of fun. Oakley, what you doing? Oakley, what you doing? Where you going? Just wandering around? You give me. Oakley. Yummy. Oakley down. Oakley has to be encouraged not to jump up and nip at Gimli's face because it could become a habit. So I'm just encouraging him to stay down and not jump up at him. Saying hi to the guinea pig? I know. Isn't he a strange looking guinea pig? Hey? What do you think, Pepper? He's almost your size. Where's your chew toy? Where's your chew toy? Oakley. Gimli's a good boy. Gimli's a good boy. He's tired. Gimli has his little mittens on so that he doesn't scratch a sore spot. Good boy. Good boy. See what Oakley's up to. What you doing, little pup? You don't want that collar, do you? Oh. There's puppies everywhere. There are puppies everywhere. I love you. Is Gimli gonna lay down? There you go. And you? You can lay down on the carpet, yeah? Okay? More family members enjoying Oakley's company, playing with him, teaching him how to play. I have separated the videos recorded of Oakley into months, and what I will do is take a few from each month and share them. Oakley is our new addition to the art studio, and we look forward to posting more updates on how he's doing. Art with Janine Liza is free art and craft tutorials on YouTube. Thank you for visiting. If you like what you found here, please feel free to subscribe.